YouTube, what is good? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker World. Hey, me and Joe, so we about to he back there on his headphones. We about to head to the Nike outlet. Now, I'm gonna forewarn y'all before I even get to the Nike outlet. I done been to all 5 of the outlets here in Ohio, and pretty much all of them are trash. Very rarely do I get lucky. I have no idea why we don't get the heat. We don't have pretty much any retros at our Nike outlets here in Ohio, especially not the ones close to Columbus. And the best one we have is probably the one in Cincinnati, and I'm not driving down there today. But anyway, I'm driving down to the Nike outlet today because I'll put the picture up somewhere on the screen. It's the 30% off friends and family discount going on right now. It started yesterday, so I'm pretty sure that it might be cleared out of our already super light Nike outlet stores, but I'm pretty sure people were in there crazy yesterday. But I'm gonna go up there and see what they got. It's 30% off the entire store, so you can't beat that deal. Also got to make sure I'm back in time to get my thumbs ready. Me and Josiah gonna be on our phones for the Bread Toe 1 reservations, trying to get those secured and locked in. And I also got another surprise unboxing. I'm gonna try to do all that today. If not, I'm gonna get filmed what I can get filmed today. But I'm gonna take y'all on this trip with me to the Nike outlet. Let go.
Psychopath.
I was looking at their 4K display. Man, it should look like on this phone. It should look like a movie camera was shooting it. I'm like, how you get your 4K to shoot like that? You got 4K on your phone, right? Highest resolution. What's good, y'all? As you can see, we just pulled up to the Nike outlet here in Jeffersonville. Fatty Doo-Wop. About to run inside. Keeping it simple today. Got my red hat. Nothing special. Just a black tee, fleece tech joggers, and y'all already know what's on feed. You know what I'm saying? See what they got. You can see people already coming out with their bags. Crazy. It's the 30% off friends and family, y'all. It's just so damn well on. Woo, got some 10s. Oh, appreciate you, fam. I already told y'all that our outlet is usually extremely light, but I'm gonna run through here either way, because like I say in my videos, man, whenever I go to the mall or anything like that, it's not always about what I like. What if somebody else want to come up here and they see something they like? You got these sock darts for $69, and remember, this is the 30% off on top of these prices, not just the hash wall. You also going on the sneakers on the rack as well. It's a different colorway on these Huaraches. $79. Get these joints, the Ultras. $89. Oh, no problem, fam. You got the Mariahs, $89. See what else they got in here. Special Forces down to 100. Look at these joints. Got these in here, $69. 30% off, friends and family. A lot of people don't like the bona fides. You got your KDs, bread colorway, only $70. Kyrie 3s, right? Yeah. Only $80, 30% off. Got some Kobe ADs, $110. If you're looking for a cheap sneaker, you got some gum bottom blazers. Slides. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm all in the way. I'm just gonna try to take y'all up and down every aisle. Then I'll go to kids as well, but I'm definitely gonna hit this hash wall because I'm out here to try to cop myself. But I knew everything was gonna be picked through because of the sale. Got a couple of these Hyper Dunks, fly knit joints, $129 for the blue. Here we go, getting into some J's. Got the 13, We 13s, $139. They got all the way from like 7.5, 10.5, 11. And don't forget this is 30% off. This is actually a pretty good steal. 30% off. And they got a full size run, it look like. Let's see what else they got. I don't know what those joints are. You got your $80. The Trainer Primes look like 12s. Called them the 11.5s. Oh, they got some trainers for $55. I might cop these. I might have to try some of these joints. They got every size too. Every size. 30% off $55. I might have to cop. What y'all think? What y'all think? Let me grab a pair. Let me see. They actually fit a little snug. You know what I'm saying? I'm not the type to walk around with no socks on or nothing like that. But these are dope on foot. $55 with 30% off. I probably will be walking out with these today. What you think, Fat? What you think on these joints?
I like them.
You like them? Can't beat it for the price. Nike Air on the yams. He's got this tee. All-time hustle. I think these two for $30. And I went up to 11 because those trainers was a little snug. But I'm sorry. Alright, y'all, so I'm back from the Nike outlet. I am tired, but it was a lot of fun. Thankfully I was able to use my use this 30% off to put it to good use, I should say. And I was able to cop a few things, and I'm not gonna hold y'all long. I just want to run through a couple of things that I copped. One of the things y'all already saw. Got these. Now, let me find my receipt. As y'all can see, I went a half size up on these. If anybody, I couldn't remember because I was a kid when these first came out, and I had the black and red joints. But they run tight. Not lengthwise, they're fine, they're comfortable. But on the sides, if you got a wider foot, go a half size up. for comfortability. But these are super dope. Just a runner before $54 with 30% off. I was not leaving them behind. So I got those. And I also picked up, Josiah threw his hat in here. Picked up a couple t-shirts, which I showed y'all as well. Now, size medium. It's just a black Nike tee. Says, all-time hustle. Dope. You can wear that with anything. Got your black cements. Obviously, it's black and red. Now, you got your, what the original tagline of Nike, just do it. You know what I'm saying? Got your Just Do It Nike t-shirt. Got your gold toes. Keep it simple. Now, where'd I put that receipt? Now the, let me see. All right, so the Jordans were $54.97, and it was $16.50 off. I got those for $38.47, and each t-shirt I got for $10.50, coming up to a total of, and I forgot to use my $10 code for the last time I went, so I got these for a total of $63. Would have been $53 if I'd have used my $10 code. Go to your outlets. Go to your Nike outlet. You'll find steals and deals. Now, that was Nike. Got 3 things. Good cops. Stopped over at H&M. You know what I'm saying? Got my Best Monkey in the Jungle hoodie. No. These hoodies are so super thick and durable, so well made. Look at that. It's like a light maroon color. It's just a hoodie. Just a hoodie. Look at these. These are only $20. Got some fatigue, distressed pants. Tried them on. These look super dope. On, can wear these with anything. Got my grails. I probably won't go olive. I don't like being too matchy, but hey, you never know. Could go with anything. Fatigue goes with anything, and it's hot right now. Now I have no idea. Maybe I could wear my sale ones with these. I don't know. That's probably the only thing in here. I don't have anything green and yellow, but for the price, this $10 hoodie is super thick, super heavy, and durable. And it just says pass on the front. I just like the colorway. Maybe I just throw some Timbs on with it. Some jeans and some Timbs. And that was it. How much I paid for this stuff? Let me see. $39 total out the door for 2 hoodies and some pants. Got the pants for $20, like I said. The first hoodie was $7 and the green hoodie was $10. $39 out the door. Go to your local outlets. You might not find something every time. You might find 1 or 2 pieces, but that's all it takes to build on things. You don't have to go get 20 things at one time. So I got t-shirts to go with my sneakers. I got a hoodie, go with some Timbs. I got some pants. I got some more sneakers. $38 for some Jordans. I'm winning. All right, I appreciate y'all rocking with me. I'm about to shut it down for the night. I already edited another video, a real quick video about the bread toast. I hope everybody hit. If you put in for it on the Foot Locker app or the Foot Action app, hopefully you got your pair. If not, better luck in the morning on the sneak.